Guy Fieri's Flavortown Laser Titanium Set delivers a genuinely slick nonstick surface that works well without elaborate pan seasoning, which makes everyday cooking feel easy and predictable. The titanium-reinforced, hard anodized construction feels impressively solid in hand and is engineered to be several times tougher than typical stainless steel, even when you use metal utensils. Its cooking surface is designed without common fluorinated coatings, which appeals to home cooks who want modern nonstick performance while avoiding those specific chemicals. The pieces heat evenly and respond best at low to medium settings, so delicate foods like eggs or fish release cleanly without scorching or stubborn residue. This set stands out for real-world convenience, handling high oven temperatures and full dishwasher cycles without babying, which is ideal for busy kitchens. With a well-rounded mix of fry pans, saucepans, a sauté pan, a stockpot, and a Dutch oven, the collection covers most stovetop tasks and feels built for long-term use.